Alright folks, this is J.O. Well, this morning I went down the low and I'm looking for getting me a new chainsaw because my chainsaw is kind of old, try to get a new one. And then I come across this Craftsman chainsaw. Well, I didn't know Craftsman make a chainsaw. And also it's a 2-cycle 42cc 18 inches blade. That's not bad for the price. It's 179 low. And also, I pick up the 2-cycle mix. It's already mixed. Well, I know how to make my own 2-cycle, but for now I want to use it's already pre-mixed from from the store. So I want to break it in first and see how it go. And I want to see that's my first time using Craftsman chainsaw. To be honest with you, I want to see if it's worth it. And most important, make sure you get ball chain oil too. Yeah, you gotta need a ball chain oil and a 2-cycle to run the chainsaw. And well, let's see let's unbox it. See what's up. They got a heavy duty case. Man, look at that. Check that out. Got menu and plus. All right. They come with a 2-cycle oil engine. Okay. Not bad. Yeah, and also it comes with this tool, flathead, and nut driver. So this one for the for open your gas and oil. Yep, that's what it's for. And also this one here. See, this screwdriver right here for adjust your blade tight or loose, and this nut driver to loosen all this bolt right here. And pretty cool. I like about this chainsaw so far, they got two bolt right here, 2 nut, so it's more safety. A lot of chainsaw they only come with 1 nut, common sense, because the chainsaw, you use you using a ball chain oil and vibration of this nut will keep losing, and then you don't pay attention, they come out on you, and the blade, everything will spin on you, might cut your arm and stuff like that. So that's a plus right here, 2 nut, awesome. And down here, that's your blade adjust, tie your blade. And yeah, so far so good. Okay, all right, sweet. Okay, as you see, this picture right here, that's your 2-cycle gas going here, and this one here, you see that picture right there, that's your ball chain oil going here. Make sure it don't get mixed up. And okay, and check your blade. Make sure it's not too tight or too loose. When you pull out halfway out like that, that's good. Yeah, most important, make sure you pick the ball chain oil with you, because it does not come with a ball chain oil. So just grab that with you. And I already bought the pure oil, pure plus oil ready to use, because I want to break the chainsaw in first before I start make my own 2-cycle. And all right, let's see. Let's get it in. All right, let's get started. All right, see the bubble gas right here? You squeeze in, make sure gas coming out. See the gas in there? That's been good. And the switch right here, make sure that switch for the motor, make sure it's turned on. avoid the choke. It's gonna be like 5 or 6 time pull to get the thing going. And I usually step on it, and some people just stand and try to pull it. Hey, well, you are quick, but they step on it, it's easy. Push forward, stop the blade. Push back to you, spin the blade. That's it, folks. Make sure, most important, PPE, wear your safety glass, protect your eye.